Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this DV8 JL Light Bar bracket. Overall, absolutely love it. I like the fact that they have little pads in the cutout so you can see the cowl, and the foam padding is cut specifically so that you can see the cutouts. Most people would probably overlook that and it would be all solid black. However, my issue with it is they don't supply you with new bolts, so these side bolts are not going to be long enough. The factory side bolts, they just won't work. So you'll need to go to a hardware store and you'll need to get some bolts, and the thread is an M8 thread. It's a metric 8 size thread, and I want to say that we went with an 1.5 inch bolt. I'm not exactly positive. Just take your factory bolts out, run it up to your local hardware store, and get it 1/2 inch longer. With that being said, I absolutely love it. Great finish on their powder coat. And I love the fact that the pads are cut out to match the cutouts in the light bar brackets. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.